Okay, so hello everyone. I hope you all are having a great time exploring all the clubs of IIT Bombay during your tech week. So tonight we are going to introduce you to the Ham Radio Club, which is another hobby club of the Institute Technical Council. And I'm Muskan, convener of Ham Radio Club, and I will be talking to you about our club and all the events and activities that we do in HRC. And we also have something exciting planned for you at the end. Yes, it is the Martian. So let's get started with the orientation. So first of all, it is important for you to know what ham radio is. Ham radio is a wireless form of communication using the radio frequencies. Here the term ham implies that it is done as a hobby by amateurs, which is why ham radio is also popularly known as amateur radio. And there are a lot of things that can be done as a part of this hobby. It is a favorite pastime for some people to get on air and communicate with other hams and making new friends and sharing and gaining knowledge. For some people, it is a technical hobby as they gain expertise in electronics and communication. They also design and construct their own transmitting and receiving equipments. This is also known as homebrewing. Then there is also satellite and space communications, which involves sending and receiving signals from a satellite. Soon you will also get to know about our satellite tracking events. Also, then amateurs also engage in various ham radio contests, and a very famous ham radio contest is Fox Hunt, which involves locating a hidden transmitter using just an antenna and a receiver. Social service is also a very major activity done by ham radio operators. So hams have always come forward to provide communication support during all types of natural disaster and calamities. So this was a short intro to ham radio. Now, speaking more about our club. So HRC is a separate system in the IIT Bombay Student Satellite Program. And our system is called the Ham Radio Club and Ground Station segment. We have the vision to promote the amateur radio culture in IIT Bombay and beyond. And we do this by familiarizing people with the basics of what ham is through various events, talks, and hands-on sessions. And we also aim to set up a full-fledged autonomous ground station with advanced and updated technology and also attaining multiple ham licenses. So you might wonder what a ground station is. So ground station is a very integral part of satellite communication, as it is a place on Earth from where you do all types of communication with your satellite, which involves receiving and sending signals. And for operating a ground station, you need a ham license. So, which is why we also aim to get various ham licenses for our ground station. And you can also perform many ham activities through your ground station. But for performing all these activities, you need to have the required hardware and equipment. So all these set of equipment which ham radio operators use for radio communication is known as a Radio Shack. So we in HRC also own a Radio Shack, and our shack consists of all these equipments which are listed down here, some of which you can also see on the slide. These are they are the handheld radio, base station transceiver, and the double cross antenna. And if you are interested in knowing in detail about all these equipments and what they are used for, you can check out our Instagram series, Noir Shack. So now moving on to our events and activities that we conduct throughout the year. So the first and the most interesting of our events is the hands-on sessions. So we used to conduct antenna making and offline satellite tracking sessions before COVID. In these sessions, students form groups and they design their own antennas with the help of a series of theory and work sessions. And then they test their antennas by tracking satellites like the NOAA and ISS. So in satellite tracking, first you receive the signal from the satellite and then you decode it to get the actual information which is sent by the satellite. So from NOAA, you get weather images of Earth, and from ISS, you receive SSTV images. And Since during the pandemic, we did not have access to our equipment, so we explored virtual satellite tracking, and we found out ways of tracking satellites using just the internet and the laptop. And this is done by using WebSTR. And just don't worry if you understand none of these right now. We do conduct Insti-wide satellite tracking sessions where we will explain all the key concepts involved in satellite tracking, and we will also be hosting similar events for you as well. And then you can also track satellites on your own. So as I mentioned about NOAA and ISS, this is one of the weather image which we received by tracking NOAA satellite. And these are the SSTV images that we received from ISS, and all this we received by online satellite tracking. So can you guys guess which part of Earth this is? You can type it in the chat, like which continent this is there in this image. Yeah, right. So all of you guessed it right. It is Europe. Okay. So now let's move on to our flagship event. It is the ground station workshop. So students from different engineering colleges across India participate in this one-day long technical workshop. The attendees get to learn about the basic parameters and equipments which are required for setting up a ground station. So we conducted GSW 2021 in the online mode, and we will soon be conducting GSW 2022. So stay tuned. So we also conduct in informative sessions on ham radio related topics. So we have had expert talks on various topics like radio astronomy and the overview of ham radio. Similarly, How Things Work is a series of talks by the senior members of satellite team on topics like satellite communication, SSTV, and how wireless devices and communication work. So you can find all these on our YouTube channel. So do check them out. As mentioned before, also we have a blog page called the Stories of an Hive Radio, and there we have plethora of information on ham radio and the technicalities of communication technology. And we keep coming up with new content for our blog page. So do check out the HRC blog page. Connecting with us is as easy as connecting with a satellite. You just need to follow all our social media handles. And all these links will be posted in the chat. So you can follow the social media handles of HRC to get regular updates on all our events.